In today's world, many people treat the word sorry like a magic eraser, as if once it is spoken, the matter disappears. But sorry does not cancel damage. Sorry does not reverse a broken rule. Sorry is not a substitute for consequence. Mama Beezy, I'm sorry, but I said sorry. Tund, my son, you say sorry, but my pot is still broken. Sorry is a good start, but it is not the end. Sorry shows your heart. Consequence shows your character. Pick up the pieces. Do you see how sharp they are? That is how sharp your actions can be. Even when you say sorry. If you break something, something must be repaired. If you do wrong, something must be corrected. Tund again. I'm sorry, Ma. Please forgive me. I forgive you, but forgiveness does not remove consequence. You will redo the test after school. You must learn integrity. Apology without consequence teaches nothing. Consequence without apology is cruelty. But apology with consequence, that is where character grows. Tund, you fixed my pot. You fetched water for a week. You learned. You grew. That is better than sorry. You are becoming a man of integrity. Listen, my son, anyone can say sorry, but only the strong accept consequence. When a child breaks a rule and says sorry, they have admitted the mistake. But the lesson is not complete until they accept the punishment. If schools remove consequence, integrity disappears. If families remove consequence, discipline dies. If society removes consequence, justice collapses. True repentance is not spoken. It is proven. Sorry is a word. Consequence is a lesson. And lessons are what change people.